everyone and welcome to All Lite Food, the all Odia cuisine, and today I'm going to share one more authentic Odia recipe, the Chenna Tarkari or the cottage cheese curry. This is not paneer but an old age way to cook the fresh chenna or the cottage cheese. Mostly found in Odia eateries or village marriages, this is something must to try for. I will start with making the chenna or the cottage cheese simply by curdling the milk. For that, I have taken 1 liter of whole milk, to which I will add around 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Or you can also use vinegar or sour curd to curdle the milk. Within few seconds, you will get the fresh chenna or the cottage cheese. Now take out the cheese on a plate, and you can actually store this water to make more cottage cheese. Next, transfer the cottage cheese into a sieve. And now I am going to wash the cottage cheese thoroughly in the running water to remove the sour taste of the lemon juice. If you are using vinegar, make sure to wash it twice or thrice. Once done, put it on a kitchen towel and squeeze out the excess water that comes from washing out the cheese. Or you can also keep a heavy weighing kitchen tool to do so. When done, I am going to put it on a plate, and on the top I am going to add 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour or white flour to help the chenna for binding. Make sure that you mix all the ingredients nicely because it's really necessary for the chenna to not get crumbled while frying. Once it is mashed properly like a dough, keep aside. Now take a small portion from the dough and within the palms make round balls, making them a little flat to give that nice traditional touch. Make all the flat balls and keep aside. And remember that before the surface gets dried, just shallow fry them. And for that, take half a cup of cooking oil in a wok, and when the oil is warm, put the cheese balls in it. Make sure the temperature of the stove is in low, as high temperature can burn the chenna. Once they turn golden brown from both the sides, take them out on a plate. Now if seeing these chenna jelly is coming to your mind, then add a few to the cardamom flavored sugar syrup for your favorite dessert. Now coming back to the cottage cheese curry, first in a wok I will take 2 tablespoons of cooking oil, to which I will add half a cup of finely sliced onions and fry them till the raw smell is gone or till they turn golden brown. Once the onions are fried, I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic and green chili paste and cook them till the raw smell of garlic is gone. Now many people prefer to make this without onion and garlic. If you want to do so, then you can substitute the garlic and onion with 2 tablespoons of cumin seed paste. Next, add half a cup of diced tomatoes and cook till soft. Add water if needed to deglaze the pan. Now it's time to add some flavors. I'll start with salt to taste. Next, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. Then I will add half a tablespoon of coriander powder. Next, half a teaspoon of red chili powder, and then 2 teaspoons of curry powder to make it a bit more flavorful. Finally, I am going to add 1 cup of green peas straight into the wok. I am using the frozen peas, but it's best to add the fresh one. And give it a nice stir with all other ingredients. Here I am going to add 1 teaspoon of ajwain or the carom seeds. This will give the curry the traditional touch. When all the spices are ready, at the end add the fried cottage cheese balls straight into the wok. This is looking delicious and aromatic. So at this point of time, I am going to add 1 tablespoon of heavy cream to make the gravy a little thick. But traditionally, cashew and melon seed paste are used to make the gravy creamy as well as thick. Finally, add 1 cup of water and let it to boil. Once it starts boiling, add half a teaspoon of cardamom and cinnamon powder, which is also famous as the Garam masala of Odisha. Turn off the stove and serve it hot with steamed rice. So that's it for today's video. I hope you loved the recipe. I will see you soon with one more recipe. Till then, goodbye, take care and stay healthy. Make sure to subscribe, comment, share and like the video. Check the description box for other details. And for health related articles, please visit my blog at www.being-foodie.com.